Assalamu alaikum my sister and brother, how are you? I doing well, I hope. So in this video I will show you this is a most beautiful and biggest super cold buster 4x4 monster truck. Yes, you are true, listen by my words. I am saying to super cold buster 4x4. This truck is looking you in my screen, very cool and most futuristic in this truck. I also this truck key feature is exclusive limited edition. So wow, मैं करूँ कमाल. The super cool buster body has been reproduced in injection model plastic. Oh, so cool, brother. Amazing feature body. TWOM14 monster included in this. The Hobby Wings THW0880 brush dual motor E6025. Oh, so this is so heavy motor included this truck. Oh, so amazing. I hope you understand what I am saying to do. Please subscribe and like.